for visiting the Daiki Kato Laboratory channel. This is Daiki Kato. Today, I'll introduce the Rolefulness Scale. The Rolefulness Scale is a 5-point scale for measuring rolefulness. We developed the Rolefulness Scale and confirmed its validity based on many data. Social rolefulness includes these 5 items. I am useful in society. I can apply my strengths for society. My roles are necessary for other people. I have a role in the various groups I belong to. I carry out several social roles. Internal rolefulness includes these 5 items. I realize my individuality through my roles. I am satisfied with my roles. I gain confidence because of my roles. My roles bring out my individuality. I have a role that is only mine. Respond each statement indicating what degree from a range of 1 to 5 the statement applies to you. With 5 equal applies a lot to me and 1 equal doesn't apply to me. Rolefulness Scale is a very easy way to focus on our rolefulness. Our rolefulness book tells you the application of the scale and I hope you read it. Thank you for watching and see you next episode. Bye.